Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Whirlpool dryer and you're getting an AF error. So an AF error is just a restricted airflow error. So that would indicate that the lint screen or the vent is clogged, or something like the vent may be crushed or kinked or have too many turns in it. The dryer will continue to run when the error is present, but if you touch any key to clear the code from the display, it'll go back to the time remaining. But however, you still want to try to get rid of this error, and you can get rid of this AF error, or you can try to get rid of this AF error by doing some simple things. Number one, you can clean the lint screen. Number two, you can check to see if the vent run from the dryer to the wall is crushed or kinked. You can also try and confirm that the vent run from the dryer to the wall is free of lint and debris. You can confirm that the exterior vent exhaust hood is free of lint and debris. And that you can also confirm that your vent system falls within the recommended run length, it's not too long, and the number of elbows for the type of vent you are using. So again, if you try all those things, you should be able to get rid of your AF or restricted airflow error on your Whirlpool dryer. I hope this video helped. Have a great day.